Welcome back to my class. Class, all stand up, hands up, hands down, up, down. Clap 1, 2, hands down. We have Igbo language. We have what? Igbo language. Still on our topic, preposition. Repeat after me. Preposition. Yes. Under this preposition, we have a topic we are going to look into. It says around. Class, say it. Around. Again, around or surround. In Igbo, it means Okirikiri. Repeat after me. Okirikiri or Gburu. Around or surround. It means Okirikiri or Gburu. Okirikiri. Now you can see this beautiful tree with all these fruits that surrounds it. Let us see it in sentences. Sentence number 1A says, apples are around the tree. Again, apples are around the tree. Yes, in Igbo it means Ụdara bekee gbara osisi gburugburu. Again, Ụdara bekee gbara osisi gburugburu. Yes. Remember, apples in Igbo it means Ụdara bekee. Apple, Ụdara bekee. Let us see another example. Example number 2. You can see this very table with all these cups that surrounds it. Let's see it in sentence. Sentence number 1A says, Iko gbara okpokoro okirikiri. Iko gbara okpokoro okirikiri. You can see it. In English, it means cups surrounds this table. Cups surrounds this table. Iko gbara okpokoro gburugburu. In Igbo, you call table okpokoro. Okpokoro. Table means okpokoro in Igbo language. Now, you have to revise all those ones that we have been teaching you people. Okay? Till next time. Bye.